guys, today we're gonna be playing some OG Fall Monkey Horror. I did a video on this, should be coming out, and I have recorded 2 videos. I'm trying to start up the grind. Sorry for all of y'all's fans, like my fans that like I haven't uploaded. I've been busy. Let's go meet up. La 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 la. Okay, public. Let's go public.
Without a thought, you'd be mine with mine.
Bro, who's that one kid that's going?
Like farts, I just have that feeling when I fart and then I get chills.
I love that feeling I love that feeling when I fart and the poop comes out and I feel the warmth on my butt. Okay.
No, run. Flashing lights, loud noises.
Oh, let's try fucking killing her.
I'm about to tell y'all that.
Holy clutch.
I want to hear it right
Holy,
now.
thank you.
No way I survived. I want to hear it right now. Say thank you, Purple. There's no way I survived.
Shut up.
Thank you, whoever saved us. What the?
Oh, really? I think they want.
Run.
Oh, that's what I got.
I'm getting chased, gang.
Now where's my
Yo,
thank
bro,
you?
why am I running when I'm farting?
Where's my thank you?
It's pretty yummy.
This guy always talking
I'm
about
like,
farting, bro.
What is that? You could die. Bye-bye. Like every time I
6-year-old humor, bro. You got 6-year-old humor.
He's stuck in death.
Open the door.
I'm not dealing with that.
He's stuck. He's stuck.
Well, guys, we failed on the first lobby. The first lobby out of so many lobbies, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying. Only if you're enjoying. I mean it. Subscribe. I'm thinking laughabilities. Shout out to laughability. Yeah, let's go to the pub. Why is the bean here?
Oh, he's going. Oh,
He's not going.
Alright, the code is 532.
532. Yo.
Codes don't work like that.
6-3.
Codes won't work.
Get away!
Where is he? You can't join public water. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Get his slimed
Rest
out.
in peace, Green, bro. Rest in peace, Green. Oh shit.
He's
Just
still
still
alive.
Is he dead? He's right there.
I'll sing a song for you. Oh.
I'm still
Good boy.
standing. No,
You should come here.
you
Say,
chased me like 3 hours.
you know what? I'll make you chase you again.
Like a little
Go, run. He moved. He's unstuck. He's unstuck. He's unstuck.
hello,
Get back,
everybody.
you
My
can go
name
to
is
bed,
Mario,
go to bed.
and welcome
Go straight, I'll go to
to
sleep.
Five Nights at
Run.
Holy shit, bro. He's not coming.
He is.
Oh, never mind.
He isn't. Look, bro.
See, I'm smart with it.
Bro, he was though. He was.
Hello.
No, guys.
All of the beans swimming. How do you know I don't like that?
No, guys, there. He's coming. Grip, I got your ass.
Oh shit.
Got your ass.
Ah, bala, bala,
I
bala.
forgot about
You guys, there's also
Never mind. Run. Bro, Purple, he's not coming, bro. Real, guys. Real is not Guys, real.
I got y'all. What a prank him.
I guess
Run. Run fast from your mother.
you stupid knickers.
Exactly. I knew it. Every time I joke around, the bean comes around. I always count with this red dot bird. What the heck are you doing there? Cause I can't take it off. If I just do that, yeah. Well, it's cause guys, if y'all have any editing softwares y'all can recommend, put it down in the comments. Oh, run. Last video, I just got done recording the last video, bro. Literally, I thought I was still going 2-3. Never mind. Bro, like, I remember that was the most fun lobby ever. But whatever. Let's go. Oh, wait, what was that code? I gotta listen to codes.
How you doing, bro?
What is happening?
Oh my god! I made all of you look. I made all of you look, and like 4 of you
What is
run.
happening?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go to the front door. Front door's open.
Oh. They're behind me! They're
Alright, guys.
Guys, he just ran past.
You did?
He just ran past.
On everything you love.
He ran past over here.
No, Red. On everything you love. He ran past.
Google Gaga.
Yes, he did.
Google
He's
Gaga.
stuck in back. Trust me, he's stuck in back.
Google Gaga. Sorry. I'm sorry. Google Gaga. There he is. He's coming. He's coming. I'm actually being serious. He's actually coming.
Cheesecake.
Oh my god. That kid died. That kid died.
Yo, Bean owes me a cheesecake.
He's right now. He's right around that corner.
I hate you so much.
All of you are getting locked out. 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 All of you.
No. I
hate
thought
you.
you were
I hate
getting
you so
locked out,
much.
Orange.
Go,
I'm
open.
getting locked out.
Open.
Open it.
Good boy.
God dang it.
I open it. Oh no.
I got y'all.
There.
Oh no.
I got y'all.
You know where the brain is?
I got him unstuck.
You know where the brain
Like,
is?
Well, that means I
I got him unstuck, guys.
Where's the brain?
Red.
Do you guys know where the brain is? Do you guys know where the brain is?
turned red.
Who are you trying to be?
When my eyes turn on, red.
Bro, what the Mickey Mouse, bro? Like, you gotta show
Mickey
yo.
Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse. Where's the brain at? Help Mickey Mouse.
You know what? That's
Where's Mickey Mouse?
yo.
Guys, he's over here.
Okay.
Over where?
Where other booty shoot?
Where's Mickey Mouse? I'm coming.
Open the door! Open!
Where's Mickey Mouse?
He was over here.
He was over here? Past him.
He was over here.
Oh no.
Like, shut the freak
Hey,
up.
guys, look. I told you he was over here. I told you he was over here.
Oh God! Oh God!
He went to spawn.
Is he coming?
He went to spawn.
Oh, we fine?
I hate this so much.
He's not going spawn. He's not I'm trying to
Run! Wait, he got stuck. He's stuck. The guy sacrificed himself.
He's sacrificed. Let's go get him then. Hurry up. Come in. Let's go get him. Let's go get him.
Hey, it's over here. Hey, guys, follow me. Follow me. It's over here. Bro, I feel bad for him. I actually feel bad. Dude. Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Da, da. Oh, Happy New Year's, guys. I forgot to say that in my last video. Oh my god. Okay. If y'all have like any suggestions of which map I should go to, just tell me in the comments.
I like coming.
And I'm looking at the bean directly on the face. I might start uploading twice a day. Like, but not like VR content, cause I can't play on the weeks. Like on the weekdays, I can only play on the weekends. So I'll only play the weekends.
I fucking hate it.
No,
You guys are
Yeah, guys,
dumbasses. You guys are dumbasses.
Swearing in it.
Nah.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, guys, he's in long. Guys, he's in long. Open front. Open front. Open front. Open front.
Nigger. There's probably
Oh, run!
Yo, that kid's
Bro,
still
stop saying
alive.
that. I know that one
We have to
video.
kill him, bro. We have to kill Pumpkinhead because he's a jigaboo.
Hey, Red. Right.
nigga.
That's all I'm gonna
Stop
give you.
trying to sing some guy trying to end his damn life, which did
That's all I'm
Help.
gonna give you.
Could you fuck me the fuck
I'm
Okay, no, I
over
can't.
you.
Turn off the
Stop
iPad,
being
bro.
rep-
Turn off the iPad.
Thank you.
Why do you say